Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic docking station that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say that I tried it already, and this thing could be fantastic for home office. You can use it for anything you want. You can use it for gaming, you can use it for productivity, but this one for home office is gonna be perfect. Number one, because how compact it is, and also that kind of this one adjusts to the size of your laptop with the weight, so that's actually kind of good. And it supports laptops up to 17 inches, so I think that's actually really nice that you can actually put a laptop like this one, which is a heavy, super big and heavy gaming laptop. So we're gonna try that with this one. But as I was saying before, is this one, it has dual HDMI 4K 60 hertz. So this one is going to give you a really nice and crispy resolution if you're working with two monitors. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds so you can see all the ports, but also basically comes with the USB-C cable to USB-C for the Thunderbolt and the host option. And also it owns power right here with a 100 watts power. So this one is going to actually give you enough power to actually fast charge your devices like cell phone or tablets or things like that. So let's take a closer look and then connect it to the laptop. So take a look right here. This is how it looks. Super compact, but also heavy. And whenever you put the weight right here, it's going to actually cramp your laptop. So that's really good. And here you're going to find the USB-A and also the host and the PD in for fast charging capabilities. Right here, the two HDMI, the Ethernet cable right there, and two 5 gigabytes per second USB-A, as well as 100 gigabytes per second USB-A and two 10 gigabytes per second USB-C. So for data transfer, this thing is also a beast. So I had no more battery on my laptop, so I had to switch to my wife's laptop. And I don't have another monitor, a portable monitor, but the fact they're kind of like the same. Right now, this one is connected right here via the Thunderbolt to the docking station. You're gonna see it right there right away on the back. And this one right now, we're gonna close it. So you gotta change the behavior on your laptop. I mean, I thought that my wife had that one, but I'm gonna change it right now. So that way we can put it right there, keep it closed, and have one or two monitors connect. So now that we changed that, we can close the lid and this thing is gonna keep on. You're gonna see that right away. And as you can see, it's on. So I can put it right here. As you can see, the weight is actually adjusting the laptop, and I can actually still have access to all the ports right here on the back, just connected to the internet if I want, use it for data transfer, use it for fast charging my devices, and I can actually use the other HDMI port to connect another laptop, not another laptop, like another monitor for sure. So this is so fantastic for home office, super easy to work with, super easy to connect, super fast also, and for sure it's going to give you that 4K 60 hertz resolution that you need for working from home. I like it. I do recommend. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.